us today. The chair calls Matthew Garcia. Up after him will be Mike Williams and then Kevin Couch.
And members and staff watching will be voting in about 5 minutes.
Welcome to the hearing.
Good morning.
You have 3 minutes.
Thank you. Good morning, Chairman Nichols, Vice Chairman Seliger, and members of the committee. My name is Matt Garcia, Senior Vice President of Public Policy for the Dallas Regional Chamber, and I'm here testifying for House Bill 5. The DRC is glad to see the Texas legislature prioritize access to broadband for all Texans this legislative session. The COVID-19 crisis has underscored the fundamental importance of internet connectivity. Since the outset of the pandemic, access to broadband has become increasingly necessary for many Texans to work, attend school, and receive health care. Many of the innovations of the past year, from remote work to distance learning to telemedicine, will likely persist even once the COVID-19 pandemic abates. As such, the need for reliable broadband access in Texas has never been greater. Unfortunately, the pandemic has also highlighted the gaps in existing broadband coverage throughout our state, primarily in rural and urban communities. In Dallas County, for example, roughly 25% of the households with children lack a broadband subscription. In the county's least connected zip codes, primarily in southern Dallas, less than half of households with children have access to broadband. While the absence of broadband infrastructure prohibits many households in Texas rural communities from accessing the internet, high costs and lack of sufficient credit are likely to blame for low subscription rates in Dallas County. Estimates suggest that 99.7% of Dallas County households are covered by available and sufficient broadband plans. However, internet subscription rates decline as poverty rates increase. Fortunately, HB 5 provides a comprehensive framework to solve our state's most difficult broadband challenges. The DRC is fully supportive of this important bill. By establishing a broadband development office, HB 5 will ensure that Texas is prepared to address the immediate and long-term connectivity issues facing urban and rural counties. Thank you again for the opportunity to testify. I'm happy to take any questions.